We seen this drone flying around and I thought I'd sign it up, give it a go. When we first told our friends and family, they just were wow, just jaw-dropping. My name's Dino Jasarevic. I live in Crestmead, Queensland with my son, Stephen, and my wife, Carolee. The most items we get delivered are the hot chook, the bread. We do get frozen veggies from time to time. Coffees we just get every now and then, and sometimes we get Stephen the breakers.
My name's Cruz. I live in Crestmead with my girl's father and my housemate. When I first heard of the drone deliveries, I think I seen it on TV and I thought that was the coolest thing ever. And originally signed up just because how often do you hear about drone deliveries in any area? So signed up for that straight away and now I use it just about every day. My daughter, she absolutely loves getting cupcakes delivered. She thinks it's awesome. The first time I ever ordered a cupcake for her, she comes running out, running straight for the drone, picks it up and gets a massive surprise that it's a cupcake, and now she absolutely loves the drone delivery service.
Working a lot from home, I can get anything I want delivered in a few minutes. So it's been wonderful. My name's Jodie and I live here with my husband and kids and animals here in Marsden. When I told my friends and family, I actually shared a video on Facebook and people couldn't believe it. Everyone was jealous and asking me when they could get it in their area.
Well, we generally use the wing service during, especially COVID, during the lineups outside of shops. I can just order, touch my finger, and within 6 minutes it's at my house. I can't even get to the shop in that time.
Our favourite items to get delivered by Wing is definitely the coffee. It's just amazing, don't have to leave home, it's here within a few minutes. We also love the items from the Friendly Grocer. So getting a flying barbecue chicken is really cool and something that we like to do on the weekends.
I hope it booms everywhere. It's like the right timing to have this sort of service available. It's so handy to have things delivered to home. Businesses, I wish every business would get on board because I would use the service even more than I already am now. I think everyone would because it's just so convenient.